Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix the purchase was not completed in Roblox error. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So first thing is to go to your Play Store. Once you're here, tap on the profile at the top right corner. Then go to Payment and Subscriptions. Now tap on the payment methods. And from here, make sure to set up a payment method. You can choose anything from here. So since I have already added mine, let's just proceed to the next step. So go home and open Roblox. Once you're here, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner. Then scroll down and tap on Settings. Now tap on Account Information. And from here, you have to make sure that your account's email is verified. In this way, your account will be eligible for any payments in the app. And that's it for today's video. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!